Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna take a look at JOBSCAN versus Resume Worded to see which one is better. So I have here a list with different resume platforms that will help you improve your resume, but today we're gonna look at JOBSCAN and Resume Worded. Now as you can see, JOBSCAN focuses on optimizing resumes for ATS and matching keywords to job descriptions. And Resume Worded provides resume feedback, scoring, and optimization tips. Now, if we take a look at the pricing, both of them have a free tier with paid plans or upgrades starting from $49 per month, and on Resume Worded $69 per year. JOBSCAN is best for job seekers wanting to tailor resume for ATS and specific job descriptions, and Resume Worded is best for those seeking detailed resumes, feedback, and keyword optimizations. Now, if we take a look at this summary, we can see that JOBSCAN is excellent for tailoring resumes specifically for ATS and ensuring your keywords match the job descriptions. And Resume Worded offers detailed feedback and scoring to improve overall resume quality and LinkedIn profile. So both of them are good, but if I have to choose between one of these, I'm gonna go with Resume Worded based on the features and the pricing. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.